Okay, folks, once again, top of the morning, breakfast of champions. We got the egg white omelets with the sauteed peppers and onions, green peppers and onions and tomatoes, a little bit of broccoli spears in there, a little bit of mushrooms, all sauteed with a little teriyaki, to give a little more flavor in the morning over top of that egg white omelet. And we put some parsley over here to get a little bit of added benefit. Get as much parsley as you can in you. Really good for you. Read up on it. Google it. And then to top it off, we got some fried oyster mushrooms, man. Just because I love fried food so much. And it's a good crunch in the morning. Good taste to add to this omelet here. And if you want to, you can put this omelet in a wrap. You can get you one of them little green spinach wraps and wrap that up. You got a wrap. You can put the mushrooms in there too. You got a nice wrap. The tea, like I said before, is just all my peels from my fruit. It's an orange peel, mango peel, cherry pits, slice of fresh ginger, and the grape branches. The branches from the grapes, all it together and top it off with a half a key lime, squeeze it over top to give you that citrus effect. And you got an all natural breakfast, man. All natural breakfast, okay? This is what it looks like in the end. None too fancy, but very tasty. Got my cocktail sauce for the flavors of the crunch. And we're good to go. Good to go. All right, y'all. That's what it looked like. I don't think y'all can see that too well, but we're going to work. Yep. Top of the morning. Almost tastes like fried shrimp or something over there with that cocktail sauce. Look at that. Yeah. Top of the morning to you. And once this is done, I got my watermelon smoothie, semi-smoothie / juice. It's going to turn to juice because it's watermelon, it's fresh. Put a little blueberries in there, a little celery leaves in there, a little strawberries in there as well. A couple blackberries I threw in there. And we're going to make that into a juice to finish this off after this. Don't forget the ginger and the cayenne. A little cayenne dosage in there too to get that blood flowing. Normally I just drink the watermelon juice for breakfast and get on my way. But since I had time, I put a little hardiness in the food today to get me going. All right? Top of the morning to you. Good day.